chilly week it is in the mornings. Good morning, BLS.
I'm Charlotte.
And I'm Rayna.
Here we are for the very first time on site at the Boston School.
And what a thrill it is. If you guys haven't noticed, it is pitch black now when you wake up. That's because of daylight savings and spring forward. We lost an hour on Sunday, so that sucks.
Also, tomorrow and Friday, make sure to check out BLS Theater's plays about clowns, I think.
There is no clown makeup, so if you're scared of that, don't fret.
Now, on to BLS on the Block with Paola and Harrison.
Okay. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another baller episode of BLS on the Block. We're gonna be touring the TV studio. We got kicked out of there. Thanks a lot, Abdul. Come on, let's see what's inside. So here's the owner, Paola.
Hey MTV, welcome to my crib. This is what I like to call the balloon room, as there's just, look at this. Balloon. Another balloon. It's just infinite balloons. Oh my god. So this is where they put the extra light bulbs. Wow.
This is where our news anchors used to be. We can't do that right now because, again, we got kicked out.
Feel what you need to feel, and then let it go, you know?
What does that
Don't
say
let it
that?
consume
Wait, I'm dyslexic. Where does it say that?
You know, I feel like women need to hear this one. You can do anything, but not everything.
You can cook and clean, but you can't eat your cake too.
I'm gonna come in here so often, cause you know, during the day, I'm always like, I need to play with something. And there's like, look how cute that is. Hi. And then this little guy, this is so you, Harrison.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Angry,
Yeah.
sad,
And then this is me.
ugly. So yeah, that's the tour. I really hope like I can edit this because we've been talking for like 5 minutes straight about future ideas. Yeah, I don't know why I thought this was a good idea. It's just like a room, you know? Good night, America. That's it.
Grass dust. Stop! I'm shy. Turn it off.
I can't believe you drove around on an actual Formula One racetrack, BLS on the Block. That's awesome. And that's all we have for BLSTV this week.
And remember, Sumas TV.